Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover WhatsApp View Once photo. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So instance, when you go to a person and they have sent you a View Once photo, or if you have sent them a View Once photo, right, you are tap on this little icon, you have sent them a View Once photo. So once they view it, this photo will be removed and they cannot recover it. Or the same goes for you, when you receive it and you watch it, it cannot be recovered. So if you want to simply recover the View Once photo, what you gotta be doing is, when you receive this kind of files, you can have another phone with you, and when you get the file itself from the phone screen on another phone, and take another phone and open the camera, and you can click a picture of it. If you do that, then you will have the proof of that file in your another phone, and even if you cannot recover it in your WhatsApp, the picture will still be with you, or the file will still be with you. That is the only option available. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.